Hey guys, it's Tia Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to start doing my Christmas sets. It's December 1st. It's time for Christmas. So I'm going to do a 12 days of Christmas type deal. It's not the traditional type of 12 days of Christmas, but the first 12 days of this month I'm going to be posting nothing but Christmas sets. So if you don't want to see holiday sets, I'm very sorry for you, but I'm going to be pushing out this content and giving the girls Christmas nails. I'm going to make this less tutorial format and more just watch me work. These are going to be intricate sets, pretty, glitzy, glamorous sets, and just super fun and perfect for the season. I love this time of year, so I'm super excited to be sharing this with you guys. So the theme of this set is all white, so off-white and then pure white with glitter, shimmer, all of that. So it's going to be super cute and glitzy. It's actually up for sale as well, so if you guys go down to my description box down below, you guys can grab this set for yourself. It may have already been sold out by the time this is posted, so just be sure to check around because there's going to be a lot more Christmas sets on my site for you guys this season. So like I said, I'm going to be talking less about the nails and just letting you guys watch what I'm doing and just talking more to you guys because I feel like I don't ever talk to you guys or pose any questions or anything like that, but I really want to get to know you guys better, see what you guys like, and I don't know, just chat, just girl talk. So all the girls that love this season, what is your favorite part of winter and the holidays? Is it getting together with family? Is it the meals? Is it the music? Just let me know down below. For me, I think my favorite part of the season is just being with my family. My family is very close and we're very family oriented, so I just love getting together, seeing them, and then just having the holidays with my family. I am kind of enjoying the colder weather. I know that sounds crazy to some people, but I do like when it gets cute and cozy outside so that I can just cuddle up inside. And then if it snows, I'm even more happy because I just love how snow looks. So I know a lot of people hate snow, but I think it's so cute and perfect. Here you're gonna see me backtrack just a little bit because I already did this nail, but I went back and added some silver lines to it just to make it pop a little bit more, and I think it really was worth it. Now this nail was especially hard because I have never actually tried a sweater design on any of my nails. This is my first time ever doing it, so you guys get to see my process live and as raw as possible. So I think I did a pretty good job. This was something I had to kind of step away from and come back to because at first I was just doing it too big for my liking, and I really wanted it to be small and compact and as detailed as possible. But once I watched enough tutorials and really got my lines together, I was able to pull off a very beautiful, honestly, sweater design that I'm super proud of. Nails like this just remind me of why I started in the first place. Oddly enough, I'm one of those people that loves to do tedious and time-consuming tasks, so sitting at a table for 2-3 hours doing nails like this is really not that, miserable to me. I actually kind of enjoy it, and I really love the result it yields, and then the reactions that you guys have in regards to the nails that I make. So I'm super excited to be doing this, and I'm really grateful to have this talent, this gift, and the opportunity. So thank you guys so much for always supporting and just giving me the platform to show off and showcase what I can do. These snowflake nails are my absolute favorite. They were so cute and so easy to do. Honestly, if you go on Instagram or TikTok, you can find so many good tutorials, and they've been so helpful to me during this holiday season because I've had to whip out a lot of different Christmas sets. So I'm super excited that I was able to find those tutorials to kind of cut down the time and make these designs easier. Because honestly, when you look at this at a glance, you're like, there's no way that you can just whip that out real easy. But it's just, dots and lines, and it comes out to look like a snowflake. This acrylic powder came in clutch because it really helps add that dimension and kind of like cozy, furry look to the nails. Yeah guys, that is the final product. This is what it came out to look like. Like I said before, this nail set is for sale, so hopefully by the time this video is up, it is still available, but if not, don't worry, you can always put in a custom set and I can whip up something for you for the season. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.